Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here's your daily technical analysis of stock index futures. We're going to start with UK FTSE futures. A bearish black crow yesterday that challenged the support below of the combination of the middle time, currently at 66.90, of the December 2020 to late January 2021 very shallowly bullish shift pitch fault, and the lesser Fibonacci level at 66.84. Interestingly, the short moving average, currently 67.12, continues to play a small role, capping the market on a 2 consecutive closing basis. As I mentioned last week, and I've been contemplating the recent action here quite a bit, I'd like to continue to run this idea past you, that what I had initially thought of as being a sideways triangle over 2021 may be morphing into another pattern, or one of 2 patterns. I suspect the late January to date action may be building either a rising wedge pattern or a possible narrowing bull channel. Currently both are between 65.90 to 68.46. I'm not too keen on the latter, but the former has some merit. Now, I'd like to keep you apprised of my thoughts on this. So far today, opening below the middle time and lesser Fibonacci combination, but then moving back above it, though only barely, if that. We're currently bracketing the combination from today's action. German DAX futures. A higher, yet still indecisive spinning top yesterday that also made a new high. We are now clear of the recent projected Fibonacci lines, such that I have had to draw a new hefty one and remove those ones. The heftier one is based on the October 2020 to February 2021 action. The 50% Fibonacci line for this is in the 15,629 area. This is close to the key level top side, which is target X in the 15,525 area, which is the potential target for the oft-mentioned ragged mid-September to November 2020 reverse head and shoulders pattern. Something that has been waiting a long time to get a look in. I've also drawn a very recent bullish Andrews pitchfall from late January to late February. Not overly confident on this one right now, but it has merit as the market has kept within the lower time, currently at 14,696, and the middle time above, currently at 15,276. So far today, a further move higher, with a new all-time high again. The nearest significant GAN number is at 15,309, if that interests you. US E-mini S&P futures. A bullish double yesterday, closing for the first time in 2 weeks over the lesser projected Fibonacci level at 39.64. The market still seems to be very cautious as it continues its move towards the all-time high at 39.88 and the 50% projected Fibonacci line that is just above it at 39.96. Remember that number. As for which bullish pitchfork to follow, the market is still choosing between the broken but still possibly important late December 2020, very early February 2021 bullish Andrews pitchfork, or the more recent early February to March shallower bullish shift pitchfork. The lower time of the former, currently 39.29, and the middle time of the latter, currently 39.14, along with the rising short medium moving average, currently 39.02, have provided support in the past to halt a potential decline, but not enough to cause a fresh rally, it seems. Plus, they are now separating away from each other, and that's not necessarily good as support anywhere. Overhead, we have the upper time of the bullish shift pitchfork, currently at 40.51, and the middle time of the bullish Andrews, currently 40.47, combining as overhead resistance. So far today, we're getting closer to the all-time high again, but very, very cautiously. French CAC 40 futures. An indecisive spinning top yesterday, but it can also be viewed as a small bearish army, though I don't think that would get you anywhere really. It was nevertheless another attempt at the recent high at 60.94. Whilst not successful, it was a reasonable attempt. Overall, we are still in between the lower tine below, currently 59.64, and the middle tine above, currently 62.47 of the December 2020 to January 2021 bullish Andrews pitchfork. As I've repeatedly said over the last 2 weeks, all is moot until prices move out of those tines. So far today, another attempt higher, dispelling the idea of yesterday being a bearish harami. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.